Mike McMahon with Dayton Superior, here for Demo Day 2022. Been coming to Demo Days now. This is my 4th year. Every year it seems like it gets better and better. You know, there's a lot of demos across the country from dealers in the industry, but Demo Day with American Construction Supply and Rentals, they're showing everything that the concrete contractor needs today. The turnout is always top notch, and the quality of the contractors coming in here are guys that are really looking for equipment. They're the principals of the company, guys that work in the field that make the decisions. Today we got the Cody Clip, which is our newest product for fastening rebar. And then today we're showing all of our tilt-up accessories, everything that would go into a tilt-up panel. American is a major dealer for us for tilt-up and forming. The Cody Clip, we can attach rebar from number 3 all the way up to number 6. It's really the fastest system in there, and it holds that rebar real tight, doesn't rack. So major labor savings. That's the biggest thing in the market is the labor cost. So we came out with the T275. And so on this, whether it's our old style insert or the competitor's insert, you basically had to remove the whole void out of the concrete. And now with our new style, you hit this with a hammer once, and it's like a Tupperware lid. The lid pops off, you leave the void in place.